Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to be going over Adobe Spark. Adobe Spark is a great place to create graphics for social media, simple videos for social, creating flyers and promos, and even creating web pages. We will go over how easy it is to use so you can get your own creative projects completed quickly and efficiently. This is definitely going to be a longer video than I normally create. So make sure you grab a coffee and sit back for this video. Let's get started. If you haven't already done so, you will need to log into your Adobe account. You can sign up or log in with your Google account. Simply search Adobe Spark in Google and select this option here. In the middle of your screen, click on Start for Free. You will now be asked to sign into your account. Follow the necessary steps to get your account created. You can use Adobe Spark for free. However, when your graphics are completed, they will have an Adobe Spark watermark on the bottom right corner on every project you make. This isn't ideal. This is the Adobe Spark homepage. Let's go over some basic navigation and getting familiar with everything in here. The top right corner will display a menu with 9 dots. This menu takes you to other apps Adobe has to offer. Beside this will be your account settings. Next to your logo will display notifications for your Adobe account and announcements from Adobe. In the middle search bar, you can search for already made templates. This is a great way to get a head start on customizing your graphic. Clicking the blue plus symbol gives you the ability to start a new project. If you have already been working on projects recently, they will be displayed under your Projects tab. You can also add brands. Here you have the option to automatically add colors, logos, and fonts that are related to your brand. This helps speed up making graphics where you wish to display brand logos on posts. Under this will be libraries. In here you can save assets under your Creative Cloud to access them in here. Adobe also provides basic tutorials under their Learn tab for you to pick up some extra knowledge along the way. Let's start by creating our first graphic. To do this, you can select any size graphic above your recent projects or press the blue icon with the plus symbol. Let's press the plus symbol and go to the bottom and select View All. Here Adobe will give you all the options that can be used in Adobe Spark. You can swap between these tabs to go through graphics, web pages, and video templates. Let's click Graphics and select this template as a head start. Now that we are inside of the Spark editor, let's go over some navigation. The left side menu will display everything from templates, uploading photos, and design assets. The right side menu will be your colors, animation, and resizing options. When clicking any part of a graphic, a menu on the right side will appear. The options that are displayed here will be depending on what object was chosen in the template. If you select the background instead, you will get different options to edit. Click on this text. When clicked, you can completely change all of the text by clicking here and deleting it. You can also change the font style, color of the font, orientation of how it looks, and font size here. You can add shapes to the background to give it a different look, change the color of the shape, and even change the shape design altogether. By clicking this button here, you can shuffle through a few random shapes to see what comes up. Underneath options, you can change the scale of the shape and the opacity of the shape if you wish to show some of the background through it. With the text selected, you can also duplicate this with the plus symbol here. If you have the text selected, you can also scale the font size with the corners. Dragging this around, you can change the size of the square the text is in. You can also rotate this by clicking on the bottom icon and dragging it around. On the left side menu, you can add customized text options here as well. When you click text, there are preloaded styles in here for you to choose from. You can also upload your own photos here as well. Clicking on icons allows you to add small icons to your posts. There are a massive amount of icons to choose from. When you add an icon, you can scale the size and rotate the same way we did with text. Grab the corners and move them around. On the right side, this will give you the options to change colors and scale of this icon. Next is Design Assets. There aren't too many of these, but you can sort through some of them to see if any of them work for your graphic. You can also add a different background to see what one works best for you. You can also combine background images by pressing on an image and selecting Add to Background on the right side menu. You can drag the middle slider to adjust the size of each image. You can also drag in multiple images and combine them. Let's add in another background. You can select the location of where you wish to insert this on the background. Simply drag the image where you wanted it to be added and press Add to Background on the right side. Now that we have made this stellar piece of content, you can adjust the size and download to various different platforms. For example, if we wanted to change this to an Instagram post, press Resize on the right and find Instagram posts. Once clicked, our image will change to the correct size, but now you will need to adjust these images again. Click on any image and slide around the sliders until you are happy with the result. On the top right, select Download. Here you can download as a PNG, JPEG, or PDF. You also have the option to publish this, invite people, or make a template, and even send it to Google Drive. You can also create videos in Adobe Spark. Let's create a very basic one. To get started with videos, press the blue icon with the plus symbol, scroll down, and press Video. Next, you'll be asked to create a title. I will just call this Video 1 for an example. Press Next. The next screen will display different templates you can use to showcase your video. These templates will add sections related to the specific category you choose and won't add actual videos. You can also scroll all the way to the end and create your own. Let's just select Create Your Own Video. This is the video editor screen. There are a few options in here for you to sort through. On the right side, the first button is Layout. You can change different layouts in here depending on how you want your video to look. You can toggle between full screen, split screen, caption, and title and text being overlaid in the video. Next is Theme. In here you can change the colors of your slides. This will be in the background of some of your videos and will change the color of the video slightly. I will add flare and click the blue one here for an example in this video. Next is Resize. Here you can change from widescreen to square. If you're creating Instagram ads, for example, changing the square resolution is great. You also have the ability to add music here. You can simply click each title and preview the track. You can also add your own music directly to your video. To add this, click My Music and navigate to where your music is on your computer. I'm going to change mine to Western Sage for this tutorial. Select Western Sage and it will automatically be uploaded to your video. Now at the bottom is where you can add additional video slides for your video. Clicking the plus icon adds another slide. I'm just going to add a couple different videos here that I downloaded from Envato Elements. I've downloaded a few videos about dogs. Who doesn't love dogs? I'm going to add in 4 slides. You also have the ability at the bottom to toggle on or off the credits and outro section. If you already have a video for an outro, you can add this here. I'm going to just hide the credits and outro. To do this, click the 3 dots on each one and select Hide Outro and Credits. You can toggle this back on by clicking each one. For our first slide, let's add in full screen. In the middle will be a plus icon. Here let's add the text My Dog. Once your text is added, click the top left corner. An additional pop-up will appear which will allow you to add your video. Click Video and select the video you wish to add that is on your computer. You can adjust the length of this video that you wish to be displayed in here. You can see this text is a little too large for what we have here. Click the text, and just above the actual text will display a T with a plus or minus symbol. Click the minus symbol a couple times until you get the correct size you want for your text. You can also click, hold, and drag your text to a different part of the video. It will snap to different parts of the screen. Ruler lines will appear showing which part of the screen your text will snap to. Let's leave this on the top. In slide number 2, let's add in another video. In this slide, I don't want any text to be displayed. Go through the same process again to add another video. Adjust the length of the video that you wish to use. Once you have a couple slides, you can preview how this looks. To do this, click Preview on the top menu of this screen. That's a pretty cool start. Let's continue to add some more videos. In slide number 3, repeat the same process and add another one. Adjust the length you wish to upload. Finally, for slide number 4, let's add your last video in and adjust the length again. Now select Preview. If you wish to change the color of your background for the video, don't forget you can customize your theme to something different. Let's switch this back to Elevate and select black and white. You can also see this changes our text that we had before. Click the text again and adjust the size to slightly bigger. Awesome stuff, you have created your own video. On the very top, you can choose to share or download this video. You can publish, invite, or even now share to Google Drive. The most common option is to just simply download to your PC. You can also invite other people to this video by clicking this icon next to download. Head back into the home screen by clicking the Spark icon on the top left corner. Let's now add a very simple web page. Click the plus symbol and select Web Page. Let's continue and add a web page for our dog that we created in the video section. Let's add in a web page for our dog. This is the Spark page creator. In the middle of the screen towards the top, you can adjust additional settings. Click Settings. Here you can show the header and footer and even enable your Google Analytics tracking IDs. You can also click Preview when you have something on your page. You can also present and share your web page as well. On the top right corner, there are themes. This is similar to Adobe Spark Videos section, where you can change your theme and adjust the colors of your text. For this video, let's select Theme and press Track. In the center of the screen, you can add a title. Let's add in Dogs Rule. For the subtitle, I'm going to write, I don't think anyone disagrees. This background is pretty plain. We can add in our own images here. If you don't see the photo icon towards the bottom of the screen, simply use your mouse wheel and scroll down a little bit. Select Photo and upload a photo of your choice. I will select this one here. Now scroll down slightly until you see a small icon appear on the bottom. You can hover over this for different options. You can add in another photo, text, buttons, videos, photo grid, glide show, and split layout. Let's test out a couple to see what these look like. Let's first add in split layout. On the left side of the screen, press the plus icon and add in an image. I'm going to just search for free photos in Adobe Spark. To do this, simply click on Find Free Photos underneath where it says Add a Photo. In the search bar, I will type in dog. Let's add in this picture here. On the right side, add in some example text. In the middle of the screen, you will see a button with 2 arrows. Clicking this swaps the picture to the opposite side like this. Next, scroll down and add in a button. Click on Add Button. For this simple call to action, I will add in click here for more dog pics. Add in the proper URL you want to take them to. I'm just going to add in google.com for this example. Center align the button and press Save. Let's add in one more section. On the plus icon underneath this section of the web page, click on Photo Grid. Let's click a random bunch of photos here to create a photo grid. Go back in on the right side and add more photos. Search for dog again. Once you have selected a bunch of random photos, it will take a few seconds to upload these images. Once added, press save on the top right corner. Scroll to the top of the page and press preview. Cool stuff, you created a web page. Obviously this isn't the nicest thing in the world, but you get the idea of how easy it is to create a web page for design purposes. Press the X on the top right to close this preview. Don't forget you can publish this, share it, and create a link to invite others to this website. Click on share and select the appropriate option for you. You can also now send these to Google Drive. That is going to wrap up this longer video than normal. I will also break this video up into more digestible videos if you wish to learn just a specific part. If you like this type of tutorial, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, and turn notifications on so you don't miss another video. See you guys in the next one, and thanks for watching.